Hi everyone and welcome. Today an unusual video because I was in the Harry Potter studios, which are actually called Warner Bros. Studio Tour London: The Making of Harry Potter, which is a pretty long name. So why is this video different from the others? Because I'm not gonna walk you through every single room and explain you all the different bits and bobs which are on display. And I'm not gonna answer the obvious, question. Is it worth a visit if you are a fan of Harry Potter? But it's a silly question. The answer is obviously yes. But if you are like me, not a fan of Harry Potter, and you actually know little about Harry Potter, are you still gonna enjoy the visit to those studios? This is what we're gonna find out. And in order to do so, I'm gonna let you visit on your own. It's gonna take around 5 minutes for the visit. It usually takes 2 or 3 hours. And then we're gonna meet at the exit and we're gonna discuss together if it's worth a visit, even if you're not a fan. But in the meantime, subscribe. And so, first of all, if you made it up to here, well done. You just visited the whole exhibition in 5 minutes, and when you're going to be there, it's going to take you around 2 or 3 hours. Now, I have to say that I really, really enjoyed it because I would say it's a balanced exhibition. It's made up of full sets, which, by the way, are the original ones, not copies like the ones displayed in Japan. And so you got these massive sets that you're gonna walk through. But also there are smaller sets, and you can actually see them like 360 degrees and walk also from the outside. And then it's plenty of costumes, of props, of all the bits and bobs linked to the special effects. And then there are the vehicles, and then other sets and the famous ones like the Gringot or the Diagon Alley. And then, of course, the massive model of the castle, which actually it's impressive, is huge. So there is quite a lot going on there, and it's definitely something that you're gonna enjoy. Personally, because I'm not really into Harry Potter, I look at that from another angle, like from a someone interested in cinema and curious to know how a movie is put together. And there is literally a lot to enjoy there, because you're gonna see all the props, all the different techniques, the green screen, and all the special effects. But also is plenty of documents and of documentaries and interviews which are gonna tell you exactly how the movies were put together. It's also worth mentioning that there is quite a lot going on in terms of interaction. So the staff in each room is gonna kind of explain you exactly how things are going and do little demonstrations, which I find it really, really interesting and different from a usual exhibition. So say that I loved it, and I think it's been really, really interesting from a behind the scene experience. So yes, it could be enjoyed even if you're not into Harry Potter. Now, would I say it's an experience that you definitely have to do? Probably not, if you're not into Harry Potter. But if you're around, or if you can combine it with something else, I would say definitely you're gonna enjoy it. Would I do it again? No. Just because I think, as said, once is enough. I found it like a kind of museum, or going to the movies, the cinema. You don't really want to go again. But I really enjoyed the first visit. Now, of course, you can go from London. There are different ways to get there. The ticket is around £50, and then you can even drive there. It's around 1 hour from central London. Or there are like direct buses, which are also branded buses, going there straight to the studios, or there is a combination of train and shuttle bus, I think. As said, €50 is the ticket only for the studios, and the experience is likely to last 2 or 3 hours at least. Then, as usual, branded merchandise is outstanding. There is a massive store with every single thing that you can imagine of is there. And so it's really, really interesting. So, as said, even if you're not into Harry Potter, definitely you're gonna enjoy it. And of course, if you're a fan of Harry Potter, oh my god, you're gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe.